welcome back to a new video. I am super excited. I get excited every time I get to sit in front of the camera and create a video to share my knowledge with all of you that are watching. I am truly grateful for those who have subscribed to our channel and for those who have taken time that viewed our video and gave it a thumbs up or wrote a comment. Thank you so much for your participation. I created this channel for everybody to learn something that I learned in the past, so you don't have to learn some of these lessons again. So thank you so much for those who have subscribed to our channel. And if you are a new viewer, my name is Vivian and I am the host for My First Luxury. We make new videos every week. I am so excited to be making today's video because I do want to give you guys a little bit of update on the beautiful Louis Vuitton Eliza. Not watched the video of me unboxing this bag yet, I'm going to link it up here. It's actually quite a good video that I have made recently, as I do think this bag is one of my favorite recent purchases of secondhand goods. Today's video is going to be mainly about the updates that I have received after going to Louis Vuitton boutique. As you guys know, and as I mentioned in the previous video, you guys saw that on the zipper pull there are some fraying happening on the fabric part of the zipper. And also, in order for Louis Vuitton to take in a handbag for repair, they first have to authenticate, do inspect and see if this bag is under the condition of being able to repair. So they want to see if this bag first is authentic, and after that they will check around the handbag if it's a canvas handbag, because any of the monogram canvas is not real leather. It's actually a coating over canvas, which is called the coated canvas. So if there are any crackings or any fold that's happening on the surface of the canvas, it's more likely that they would not take the bag in for repair, because the bag is considered, you know, not repairable, as they don't want to further damage the piece. So even though the coated canvas is a really practical material most of the time, because it's water resistant, it's scratch resistant, and also it's very lightweight, that's why we love a lot of these canvas pieces. And in the case when a canvas is damaged or it's cracked, unfortunately you cannot repair the bag anymore. So if you are buying secondhand, my tip is to make sure you do a full inspection before you purchase the item to see if there are any suspected area, you know, because you're gonna buy it and use it. So if there's something happening, at least it's good to know. And also I think there's advantage of buying from, you know, the platform that offers free return. Just keep that in mind. So because it's a really important tip for canvas care, if you have a canvas bag right now, maybe you do want to inspect a little bit to check on your bags and see how overall the canvas is doing. Anyway, to go back to the point of me making today's video, I was able to take the bag to Louis Vuitton, and it was really great seeing my friends there also. But what I learned is that they have actually a repair specialist on site that can help kind of, you know, evaluate whether or not your bag is ready for submission for repair. And then also they gave me a quote. So this bag, from what she told me, this is like literally quote of what she said. Unfortunately, I was too caught up, I didn't really, you know, record the conversation, but she basically said this bag is in an excellent condition, considered that it's a discontinued and highly collectible piece. And she checked the overall condition of the bag, and the patina for the vachetta leather is also great because it's like beautifully and evenly tanned. So there's no concern about that. She also quoted me for the zipper pull, because in the beginning she thought the zipper actually had issues. So she was like zipper works fine, what do you want to do? So I actually showed her where the problematic area is, and she actually said absolutely this can be replaced. However, it is going to be a little bit more time consuming because there are additional stitches here. Basically, the fabric like sides of the zipper is sewed and stitched to the side leather, so they actually would have to take the stitches out and then re-sew the zipper pull back in for a brand new replacement. And then the quote was $180 for turnaround time between 6 to 8 weeks. And I didn't really make the decision to go ahead and have it repaired today. Both the repair specialist and myself have agreed that this bag is still in a great condition, that we can still use it for a while before we really need to replace the zipper pull on here. And also, I do think $180 is a great investment to repair the handbag while you can and while the handbag is still in great condition. And if you want to resell it, obviously, the better condition your handbag is in, the higher the price is gonna sell for. But since I do plan on keeping this piece here, I do think that maybe I'm gonna go ahead and just start using it and see how it goes. And at least I know for now I do have the option to replace the zipper pull as I predicted before. I'm also very happy to hear from the specialist evaluation on this handbag, because she was really impressed with how well the bag was kept at its current condition. And literally no joke, she was like, it's highly collectible right now, and you should definitely take good care of it. And she was even asking me where I got it from, so it's kind of funny. But yeah, so this is my update for the Louis Vuitton Eliza bag. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment below and let me know. I also would like to know if you personally own any of the multicolor canvas pieces and when did you get it? Because like I mentioned in the other unboxing video, I wasn't a huge fan when I first saw the multicolor canvas, and obviously fashion taste changed and also time changed, and now I'm just very obsessed with these multicolor print because I think the colors are super unique on each piece. And I also visited the Louis Vuitton art exhibition that is happening in Beverly Hills, and I also made a walkthrough detailed tour of the exhibition. So if you don't have time to come over to LA to see the exhibition in person, I also have a video over here. You can definitely see what it looks like inside. But my point is that they actually dedicated a wall for the multicolor canvas, and this is the collaboration they did with Takashi Murakami, so it definitely holds a special place in my heart now, and I'm super happy I was able to get my hands on certain pieces that I really like. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet and you watched this video to this point, make sure you click that subscribe button and also click on the bell to receive all updates. We currently upload new videos every week, so if you want to stay tuned and know when we upload it and be the first to watch our video, make sure you also click the bell. And I look forward to chatting with you guys on the next video. Bye bye!